Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Unbox with Anas. Today video we will discuss about the formal argument in Java. So let's go to the overview of formal argument and types of formal argument. Discuss in this video method call statement, actual argument, method call statement. These four things we'll discuss in this later. So before before wasting the time, let's start the video. So the first one is what is a formal argument and type. So the variables created in a method declaration is known as a formal argument. Let's explore with an example. So the formal argument are used to receive the data from the caller. Means who gives you call the method. So here, as you can see, int sum is a method. The type of method is an int type, and the variable which is created inside the uh, method block is int p and int q. These two variables created inside the method is called it as a formal argument. And what type of data it will return? Return plus q. So as you can see, the int type of method is to return the int type of data. So let's discuss the types of method based on the formal argument. So we have a no argument method and parameterized method. Let's discuss one by one. So the first one is no argument method. The method which doesn't contain only formal argument method is known as a no argument method. So you can see this example int sum. No argument means no data, no variable is created inside the sum block or some parenthesis inside of that. We don't creating any variables. That is why it called it as a no argument method. We do not have any variable created inside the sum block. And the instructions means whatever instruction we have write inside the method is considered as a method to perform those tasks. I hope you will understand our no argument method in Java. If you don't, you can listen again because the just simple thing int sum is equal to int sum and inside of parentheses we don't created any variables. That is why it considered as a no argument method in Java. The method type is int type data int, so it will return the int type data. So next one is parameterized method. As you can see here in this image, the no argument method means the variables is not created inside the method is considered as a no argument method. So the next one is a parameterized method. The method which contains formal argument is known as a parameterized method. As you can see this example, int sum is equal to int a, int b, and the parenthesis is at the block of the method instruction. And you can see here the argument which passing inside the method is considered as a parameterized method. So int a, int b means we just creating here the two variables int a, int b. That is why this method is considered as a parameterized method. And the inside of the variables is called it as a argument. The I hope you will understand the parameterized method also. Just a simple thing that is just creating the variables inside the method is considered as a parameterized method. And the variable which created inside the method is considered as an argument. So the next one is method call statement in Java. The method which is used to call the method is known as a method call statement. Means, as you can see here, the syntax of the method call statement is Method name and the actual argument is call it as a method call statement. Where your program is executed is means the when you call your method is call it as a method call statement. Here to your program will start to execute your code. If you don't call your method, then your method will not execute it. Without calling the method, it will never execute. And I'm forgetting to mention the semicolon here to end the method. And the next one is the actual argument. Means the argument which passing in the dynamic means real time is called it as an actual argument. When you run the program, from then you have to give an input. That input is called it as an actual argument. So the data passed to the method is known as an actual argument. And you can say that the data passed to the method which have an actual argument is known as an actual argument. That means the data passed to the method is known as an actual argument. That means the method call statement. Which method is called? That method should pass the actual argument. Is called it as an actual argument. That's all about in this video. Thank you for watching a Tech Unbox with Anas. Next video we will discuss method call flow, calling method or caller, and called method. Also, we will do some programming as a method part so you will clearly understand how the method is work. Thank you for watching. Before you go, let's subscribe my channel for another videos, or you can say the upcoming videos.